ShippingEasy is an online shipping software that simplifies the process of managing and fulfilling e-commerce orders. Here's how to use it effectively. Create an account. Sign up at shippingeasy.com and select a plan that suits your business needs. You can start with a free trial to explore its features. Connect your store. After logging in, navigate to the integration step to connect your e-commerce platforms. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection. Import orders. Once connected, your orders will automatically sync to ShippingEasy. You can view and manage them under the Orders tab. Create shipping labels. Select orders you wish to ship and click on Print Shipping Labels. Choose your preferred shipping carrier and service. ShippingEasy offers discounted rates for major carriers. Print and ship. After confirming the shipping details, print the labels directly from the platform. You can use a standard printer or a thermal printer for label printing. Track shipments. ShippingEasy automatically tracks shipments and updates your store with tracking information, keeping your customers informed.